Hello everyone, welcome to solve this math Olympiad algebra problem, and here we have x minus 6 times of square root of xy plus y equals to 0, and here we solve this problem for the values of x over y. So the very first step we are going to do is here first we rearrange these terms in this form, and we write it as we move this negative term to the right hand side, and it will becomes x plus y equals to 6 times of square root of xy. So here we need to take the square on both of the sides of this equation, and it will be written as x plus y whole square equals to 6 times of square root of xy and its whole square. So in the next step here we need to open this nice square identity, and we know that x plus y whole square equals to x square plus y square plus 2 times of xy equals to, here you have the square of 6 is 36, and the square of square root of xy is becomes xy, because this square root and 2 are cancelled by each other. So here we move these 36 times of xy in the left hand side, and it will be written as x square plus y square plus 2 times of xy minus 36 times of xy, and this whole equals to 0. So after simplification here we get x square plus y square minus 2xy minus 36xy equals to minus 34xy, and this whole equation equals to 0. So now we convert this equation into the single variable, so that we just divide each term on both of the sides by xy. So when we divide each term by xy, it will be written as x square over xy plus y square over xy minus 34 into xy over xy equals to 0 over xy. So here we need some simplification, so now we cancel the like term, so this x and x are cancelled by each other, and here we get x over y plus this y and y are cancelled by each other, and we get here y over x minus these are cancelled by each other, and we get minus 34 equals to 0 over xy equals to 0. So now you see here we have x over y plus y over x, so that here we need to take this x over y equals to some m. So when we take x over y equals to m, and if we take the reciprocal on both of the sides, then it will becomes y over x equals to 1 over m. So that here we substitute x over y equals to m and y over x equals to 1 over m in this equation. So this will be written as m plus 1 over m minus 34 equals to 0. So this equation will becomes in one variable, so now we convert into the quadratic form by multiplying on both of the sides by m. So when we multiply both of the sides by m, it will be written as m multiplied by m plus m multiplied by 1 over m minus m multiplied by 34 equals to m multiplied by 0. So here we need a little bit simplification, and we get m multiplied by m equals to m square plus this m is cancelled out by this m, and we get 1, and here we get minus 34m equals to this m is multiplied by 0, and we get m. So now we write this equation in standard form, and it will be written as m square minus 34m plus 1 equals to 0. So this equation will becomes quadratic in m variable. So now first we write the coefficients of this equation, and its coefficients are a equals to 1, b equals to minus 34, and c equals to 1. So here we use the quadratic formula in order to solve this quadratic equation. So we know about the quadratic formula. It will be written as y equals to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4 times of ac divided by 2 times of a. So here we substitute these three values in this formula and it will be written as, here we have the value of b is minus 34, so this minus times of minus becomes plus 34 and plus minus square root of b square. So our b is minus 34 square minus 4 times of a is 1 and c is 1, and this whole equation divided by 2 times of a, and our a is equals to 1. So in the next step we need some simplifications here, and we get this y equals to 34 plus minus minus 34 square, and we know that the square of minus 34 equals to 1156 minus this 4 times of 1 becomes 4 and its whole square root divided by 2. So in the next step we need more simplifications, and we write it as 34 plus minus square root of this will becomes 1152 divided by 2. So here we need to find the prime factors of this equation 1152. So here we get the prime factors of this equation by this method. So now first we divide it by 2 and we get 2 5s are 10 and we carry 1, 2 7s are 14 and we carry 1, and 2 6 are 12. So we divide it by 2 and we get 2 2s are 4, 2 8s are 16 and 2 8s are 16. So we get 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8 and 2 4s are 8. 2 7s are 14, 2 2s are 4 and 2 3s are 6 and 2 6s are 12 and 2 18s are 36. 2 9s are 18, 3 3s are 9 and 3 1s are 3. So these are the factors of this equation. So we have 1 2 and 3 pairs of 2 and 1 pair of 3. So we write all these pairs here. So it will be written as 34 plus minus square root of, this is 2 square times of 2 square times of 2 square times of this single 2 and multiplied by 3 square, and this whole divided by 2. So here we need some simplification and we get 34 plus minus, so all these squares are cancelled out by the square root, and we get 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3, and we obtain only one square root term, which is 2, and this whole divided by 2. So in the next step we get here 34 plus minus, this is 2 times of 2 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24 times of square root of 2 divided by 2, and now we separate these terms and we get here 17 plus minus 12 times of square root of 2. So this is the value of y. So now we back substitute the value of m, sorry here because we take our m equals to this xy. So this is our mistake, because here we have the quadratic equation in m variable, but we mistakenly write here this is y variable because this is the m variable. So here we again this and these are also in m variable. Okay, so here when we back substitute the value of m, it will becomes x over y equals to 17 plus minus 12 times of square root of 2. So this is the final answer of this question, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.